today's video? Oh God, my mom just photobomb the video.
I'm not sure again.
Mom, say hi.
Hi. Hi, Flecky.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Fola and I'm a Nigeria-based YouTuber. And if this is not your first time, thank you for coming back to see my video. Like, you guys, I love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So this is a Sunday morning. Please don't mind how my hair is looking. Yesterday was one day for me. So yeah. This is a Sunday morning and I decided that, okay, why not just vlog your Sunday routine? So yeah, that is what I'm going to be doing today. Yeah. So if this sounds like what you're more interested in, then you might just want to sit back and just watch to the end, because I would love to take you along with me. Just finished bathing and I'm about to start dressing up. Yeah.
You bring your challenges and your situation, my God. Bigger than from America, from Nigeria down to Jamaica. Forever,
from church. I didn't film a lot of moments. Like, I didn't even show you guys my outfit. Excuse me, I just finished taking this fan eyes. What is Sunday afternoon without fan eyes? So service was awesome, guys. Like, awesome service. So the praise for me, it was a great one. And I didn't show you guys my outfit. It was a good, like a beautiful dress, but then mo tún gbàgbé láti film. One day I will get used to this vlogging lifestyle. So we are back from church and we're about to, I'm in the kitchen now, so we're about to find something to eat. Let's see what we get up to. But before we start cooking, I want to eat, like, I want to take mangoes, so I'll show you guys. I just finished eating my mangoes and I think I now have the energy to cook. So I'll be making meat stew, I'll be making pepper soup, I'll be cooking rice, I'll be frying plantain. I'll be doing all of those with the help of my sisters. Abike, come and say hi. Yeah. Please. You're not looking fine. You don't have to be fine. Why did you bring that cup? Yeah, come and show yourself now. Okay, guys, she says she's not showing herself, but let me show you guys the bowl, like the bowl of mangoes I just finished. Like, it was good. The mango was good, like odebe. So yeah, it's the bowl of mango I just finished. Like, it was good. Hey. and I could not finish the food. The food I did myself was too much, like too much. But the food tasted so good. And don't mind my sweat. It's actually from the cooking and eating. So if you watched this, and thank you for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.